Hello everybody, talking about two stocks in my 10k challenge portfolio and some massive news that could drive the stock even higher from its current price. I'm not a financial advisor, my videos are purely just for entertainment and education purposes, so please do your research before consulting my videos. Feel free to like my video for the YouTube algorithm so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing. Bionano Genomics is currently down nearly 3% on a day. I picked up 10 shares as believing the company by the dip here. So Sapphire study is first to analyze cancer regulation at level of single DNA molecules, opens promising new avenue of cancer research. So Bionano's Sapphire system combined with a custom labeling method developed by the scientists was capable of analyzing regulatory regions that work together to turn cancer genes on and off. So this is really good. Long distance connections and methylation profiles, because it's the only technology that can generate such long range. So this is really good because the product of Bionano Genomics is the only one that can do this. So to fully understand how cancer genes turn on and off and to measure the methylation status of a gene, Bionano's Sapphire system is the only tool that can do this. Nanogenomics is doing something that no one else has ever done before. That is the new era to DNA testing for cancer cells. The brief overview of this article. As of February 2, on the 1st, they picked up more shares. They picked up 16% more shares. We can see here shares change 16.57. So this is just some stock price targets. So there are 3 buy ratings and 1 hold, and it has a high of $14 and a low of $12. When the market opens tomorrow, buy whatever price it is. Put your first 250 if it drops another 2%, put your next 250 on that. What's below that price, put your next 250 on that, and then next week if it drops even more below that price target, below that price, put your last 250 on that, because we don't want to put all in, because when it average down we don't expect the drop, so we write it up. When we buy the drop, when we buy the dip, we write it up to its highs. So that's what we do here. We always expect the drop. We cannot expect it to always go up. So we know how volatile these stocks are, so we just got to be prepared. So yeah, to the next stock, which is NEO stock. Okay, so currently NEO stock is currently at down 0.96% on a day. See, it's a good entry point, so never miss out on these opportunities. So currently I have picked up an additional 2.65 shares, which was $150. So we just have some quick news here. So this is some really good news. So NEO said January deliveries surged 352%, which was last month. They have surged 352% in deliveries. Believe in this company, you believe in their fundamentals, then invest in this company. Right now would be a great time. Once it goes down to its lowest point, it's just going to go straight up. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, if it's 1 month of deliveries, imagine a 12-month delivery. It can be more than 352%. But so if you guys had $1,000 to invest in the company, I would put my first 250 tomorrow when market opens, no matter the price. Day after that, if it drops 2%, put your next 250 on that, and then the next day, if it drops 3% more, then put your next 250 on that. Then next week, if it drops to around to even $50, put your last 250 on that, because we've got to be prepared for the dip. We got to expect it to go down. We can't always expect it to go up. We never know. We expect the dip. We never should be surprised. We should expect the dip. So yeah, that's what I would do. So yeah, I do think this company is going to do well in 2021. So it's a great long-term stock. I will not be selling this stock anytime soon. I'll keep this stock for around 10 plus years, because I do think NEO is going to do well in the EV industry. And we're seeing with electrical vehicles, they're a growing industry. So yeah. So that's it for this video. Those were my 2 stocks in my portfolio that had massive news today, and which I do think they're going to go ahead and blow up in 2021. On these stocks as well. Do not base your decision on my analysis. It's just making that clear. Feel free to subscribe to me if you guys want to see more videos like this, and also free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing. So yeah, have a wonderful day and see you guys in the next one. Happy investing.